Deep dive into sklearn's data dimensionality warning. The data dimensionality warning in scikit-learn sklearn is a helpful warning that alerts you to potential issues in your data that might lead to inaccurate or inefficient model performance. It typically arises when the dimensionality number of features of your data significantly exceeds the number of samples. Here's a breakdown of the warning's implications, causes, and ways to address it. 1. Understanding the warning. The warning message itself looks something like this. Data dimensionality warning: data has more columns features than rows samples. This may lead to poor performance of the estimator. This message highlights a potential problem in your data structure: you have more features than samples. This situation is often referred to as high dimensionality or the curse of dimensionality. 2. The curse of dimensionality and its impact. Overfitting with many features and few samples. Your model might easily memorize the training data, leading to poor generalization to unseen data. Computational complexity. High dimensionality increases the computational burden of many machine learning algorithms, slowing down training and prediction. Sparse data in high-dimensional spaces. Data points are often sparsely distributed, making it harder for algorithms to find meaningful patterns. Increased variance. Models trained with high dimensionality can exhibit high variance, meaning they are sensitive to small changes in the training data and might perform poorly on new data. 3. Common causes of the warning. Unnecessary features. You might have included irrelevant features in your dataset that do not contribute to the prediction task. Redundant features. Some features might be highly correlated, providing little additional information. Small sample size. Insufficient data points compared to the number of features can lead to overfitting and poor generalization. Feature engineering. Overly complex feature engineering techniques can inadvertently create high dimensionality. 4. Strategies to address the warning. Feature selection. This involves choosing the most relevant features for your task, discarding irrelevant or redundant ones. Techniques include univariate feature selection, evaluating features individually based on their correlation with a target variable. Recursive feature elimination RFE, iteratively removing the least important features based on model performance. Feature importance, using methods like decision tree-based algorithms or random forests to rank features based on their contribution. Dimensionality reduction. This involves transforming the original data into a lower dimensional representation while preserving essential information. Techniques include principal component analysis (PCA), identifying and projecting data onto principal components, which capture most of the variance. Linear discriminant analysis (LDA), similar to PCA but focuses on maximizing class separability. T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding (T-SNE), nonlinear technique for visualizing high-dimensional data in lower dimensions. Regularization techniques like L1 or L2 regularization can penalize complex models, preventing overfitting in high-dimensional spaces. Data augmentation, creating synthetic data samples to increase the number of training points and improve generalization. Ensemble methods, combining predictions from multiple models, can help mitigate overfitting and improve robustness in high-dimensional settings. 5. Noteworthy points. The warning doesn't always signify a major problem. For instance, if you have a small number of features compared to the number of samples, the warning might be less concerning. The warning itself is just an indicator, and the best course of action depends on your specific problem and dataset. Before blindly applying any technique, it's essential to understand the underlying assumptions and limitations of each approach. 6. Example scenario. Consider a medical dataset with 100 patients and 1000 genes. This scenario likely presents a high-dimensional problem. The warning might suggest that the model is prone to overfitting and might not generalize well to new patients. 7. Conclusion. The data dimensionality warning in scikit-learn is a valuable tool for identifying potential issues in your data. Addressing the warning through appropriate techniques can lead to improved model performance, reduced computational complexity, and better generalization capabilities. Always analyze the warning in the context of your specific problem and dataset to choose the most effective solution.